Hello everyone, my name is Naveen and my teammates are Vince, Sarah, Andy, and Katie, and we are Team 156. We are currently working on the GTXL Career Development Toolkit, in which we are creating a website to help people with disabilities find employment. Today I will be showing you our third video demo, which covers our work from Sprint 4. In the previous sprints, we had focused on getting the structure and content for the website. Here we have the updated content and overall design of each page as per our client's requirements, as well as adding the ability for our client to add and remove content from the site to keep it current. As you can see on our new homepage, we have replaced the previous carousel feature with tiles that ask questions with answers below. Additionally, we have placeholders for images that will be added to in the next iteration. The client has requested this change so that the users can see all possible options of the site from the beginning and not become confused later on. Here below we have the GTXL social media accounts linked so that the client can advertise their program to the site's visitors. As you can see, we have changed some features on the nav bar. We now have some drop downs for some of the options. This is so that the user can answer specific questions and jump to the particular portion of the page for quick and easy site navigation. Here we can take a look at the updated Looking for Jobs page, in which we have turned the previously vertical flowchart into a horizontal one so that the options are easier to see at once. And as you can see here, if we click on one of the options, it highlights the next possible link that we can click on. A new feature that has been added is the form submission page. This is a form that allows site visitors to post content that can be approved and then added to the page. This is an effort to allow our client to update the content easily. Once a user fills out the appropriate information, they can submit this form, which will send an email to our client to approve the request. Now we can see the updated local resources page. We have reorganized the layout of all the local resources and have added a Google Maps display to show all the resources and their location. This is in an effort to so that our client requested, so that people can easily see what resources are around them. Here we can see if we click on the resource, it gives us the address and the name of the resource. And it links to Google Maps for easy directions. Now we can see on the government's benefits page we have two separate sections. This is the first section, is to know your benefits. There's not been much change in the content of this page from the previous sprint, except that the two sections have been clearly divided and quick links in the nav bar have been added to them. Similarly, with the federal hiring page, we have added three separate sections to the nav bar that go to these three separate sections of the web page. The federal government's hiring disabilities page, the Schedule A hiring process, which we still have the accordion features in, and finally the recruitment and referral database link right here. Another major update that our client had requested was to change the starting a business page. Previously, this page had a lot of block text, and our client wanted us to redesign it so that it would be easier for our users to read. Now we have approached it with separating this information into tiles. Here you can see that each section is clearly defined, and it'll be easier for users to find what they're looking for in each of these tiles. Finally, the client requested a few changes to the About Us page. Mainly, we have added pictures of them and removed their contact information, as they had not wanted their email address posted right on this page. As well as we have a link to the actual GTXL site. In the next iteration, we will focus on requesting photos for the About and Home page, hosting the website on a server, creating a form for giving feedback to the site, and converting the jobs list form to allow addition of resources. That concludes this video demo. Thank you for watching.